Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I wanted to talk about slabbed coins. Now this is my first slabbed coin. The video I wanted to do was basically going to be explaining why I think slabbing coins is a waste of money, why I think it's a shame when you slab a coin because you can't pick it up and play around with it, you can't appreciate it. And it was basically going to be slating slabbed coins. Now, the video's taken a bit of a turn because upon receiving this, I actually really like it. I think it looks a lot better than I thought it would look in a slab. I really like the size of the slab. I thought that this was going to come, for some reason, I thought it was going to be quite a bit bigger, kind of that wide, bit longer, bulkier than it is. And that was another point I was going to raise. I was going to say that it makes it a lot harder to store, but I actually really like it. Now, I only literally brought this purely so I could have a slabbed coin to do a video on. So it's not a really high rating. It's PF69. I'm not really sure what the W stands for. It's 2004 Silver Eagle. It's got a W on there. So that's obviously something to do with why it says W Eagle. Like I said, I haven't done much research into this coin. I purely brought it so that I could have a slabbed coin for a video and almost slate slabbing coins, really. But like I said, upon receiving it, I actually really like it. I can actually see why people get coins slabbed because it protects them really well. There's no way of actually opening this case unless I was to damage it. It looks really good in the slab. So yeah, like I said, it's kind of a different turn on the way this video was meant to be panned out. So let me know your thoughts on slabbing coins. Do you think it's a waste of money? Do you prefer to have your coins raw like this where you can hold them? Like I said, before I had any slab coins, I thought it was a waste of money. I thought it was a way of people just buying coins, chucking them in a slab for 30, 40 pounds, whatever it costs to put it in the slab and then selling it on for a lot more. But although that does seem to happen, I can really see why the benefits might outweigh the negatives of slabbing coins. Don't get me wrong, it is nice to have coins in the stack that you can get out and chuck around and play around with. And obviously I appreciate the difference between slabbing a bullion coin to slabbing something that's a bit more special. So yeah, let me know your thoughts on slabbing coins. And also let me know what the W stands for in this. Like I said, I've done no research. This cost me £55 in total. So PF69. Not sure if I got a good deal or a bad deal. I saw it. I like the look of it. It looks like a proof American Silver Eagle. And like I said, I mainly brought it so that I could do a video on, well, I only brought it so that I could do a video on slabbing coins. But yeah, it's actually changed my mindset on grading coins. I can see why people would get coins graded, especially if it had a high proof finish like this one. And you could get kind of a PF70 and then sell it on for a lot more. Like I said, I really like the case as well. I like how classy it looks. It's got like a hologram finish here as well. So yeah, it's a shame really, because now I feel like I need to get some more graded coins, and they do cost quite a premium because you are basically paying for the grade of the coin. So yeah, let me know what you think about grading coins and slabbing coins in general. As always, thanks for watching my videos, and I hope you have a nice day.